Alrighty then, welcome back. And this time we're looking at how to stop a class from being inheritable. So in this case, for example, we have the main class here, which is the database class, and then we have the class that extends the database class. And then we are creating a new version of, we're instantiating it here, this child class, and then we are calling a function there, which also runs the other function there. Okay. Now, if for some reason I have a project where I don't want this class to be inheritable, it's very easy. What to do is I just type the word final at the beginning of the declaration there. So if you see something like final class database, this means you cannot inherit this class. So let's go back here and see what errors we will get here. And you see fatal error, class product may not inherit from final class database. So we cannot inherit because the other class is final. So that's how you do if you don't want anyone to inherit from your class. Okay, but now final can also be used on a function itself, like here. So final public function. So you can have it state like this. Yeah, I've never actually done this, but I think this is valid. Final public static function show. So yeah, you can do that, but let's remove the static for now. So as you saw last time on the other one, on the class, we are stopping it from being inherited, right? We're stopping this class from being inherited. But can we stop a function from being inherited as well? So I'm going to comment out this one so that we don't accidentally run this one while trying to run this one, okay? So that when I say this show, I'm reading from that one, right? Okay. So let's see if the final keyword will stop us from utilizing this, because now we can inherit this class since it doesn't have the final. So this is fine, we can extend it. And let's see if we just can't use this function there. So let's go back and refresh. And as you can see, we can actually use it from database class, right? So it's actually working here. So what is this word actually doing here? Well, this keyword here stops the method or the function from being overridden, because what we are doing here is overriding this function. So we want to create our own version of the function in here. So if I remove these, I will get an error this time because I cannot override a function that has final in its word. So cannot override final method database show. So this method right here is final. So it's a method and it's final, so you cannot override it. So that's what the final keyword does for a method as opposed to what it does for a class. So for a class, you can't inherit that class. For a method, you can't override that method. Simple and straightforward. All right, so I'll see you in the next video where we begin to talk about more interesting things like interfaces and abstract classes. All right, I'll see you then.